Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Today's just going to be a really quick video on just making a rich and creamy vodka sauce, which you can pair up with shrimp, chicken, just pasta. Sometimes I use this sauce as a dip for fried mac and cheese balls, which is why I was making it here. So I'm just going to jump right in. This is going to be a sort of a limited talking limited voiceover video just because I went ahead and put the measurements on the screen so you guys kind of understand what's going on as is. Here with the vodka, I'll just point out that I added it in and I gave it that time to boil down because you see how here it's really wet. We want this to really reduce so that the onions are caramelized like you see them here. You shouldn't have like a pool of vodka. And the alcohol will cook off, so it is friendly to all ages. Alrighty, so here I'm just adding in those tomatoes. I love adding this to my vodka sauce because I just like it to be real nice and chunky. And then I add also just some other tomato sauce, which is a more runny consistency, just to give the sauce thickness. You'll see how it boils down in just a few. And here you'll see I'm adding some seasonings, which are some Lawrys seasoned salt, some cayenne pepper because I like my vodka sauce to be spicy. That's optional. Some black pepper, and lastly some garlic. You'll see I will go a little crazy here. I think I actually pointed that out in the audio. But yeah, you know, we like spice, we like garlic if you've ever seen another video on this channel. So of course, as I always say, seasonings are to your discretion, but that is what I put in mine. So this is the reduced look 20 minutes later after our sauce has had time to thicken up. There is nothing wrong with store-bought tomato sauces, guys. You just have to understand that there's a lot of water in there, so you want to compensate by making sure you're allowing it time to cook. All right, I've gone ahead and added that pint of heavy cream here. And this is going to balance out our sauce now. This is how we achieve that creamy vodka sauce that we have all come to love. Did you guys know that vodka sauce is not even like an official like Italian dish? Like, I found that out traveling in Europe. But yeah, it's like one of those, I guess, Italian American things, but we love it all the same. Look at that vodka sauce, guys. Pair this up with your dishes. Let me know how you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. And comment below and let me know what you guys want to see next. As always, I thank you guys for stopping by and spending time with me.